Hey guys, we're back. We're looking for the Victor Wembanyama rookie card in this. Let's get into it.
Benson bought this box today at Walmart, hoping he's going to get lucky and pull a rookie.
We already got two out of the same pack.
Yeah, his last box he bought, there were two rookie cards in one pack, so hopefully we have that same kind of luck.
That's it for the first pack.
First pack.
5 more to go.
Yep, you get 6 cards. I'm at 6 packs in a box for a total of 24 cards. Second pack. On to the third pack. Chris Paul. Kobe Brown rookie. Green. Come on, Benson, we need some luck. 3 packs remain. Kevin Garnett. Guardians. 2 packs remain.
Ooh.
DeMar DeRozan. Dominance card. And a rookie of Scrub. Last pack. Jamal Murray.
Ah.
Oh. A face of disappointment.
Didn't get anything.
No. You gonna save up for another one?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.